Hey there, space cadets ready for a wild ride? We're about to dive into one of the coolest things about our home planet. Its spin. That's right, Earth is constantly spinning, like a cosmic merry-go-round. Every single day, Earth completes one full rotation. That's like doing a 360-degree turn, but on a massive scale. Understanding Earth's rotation is super important. It affects everything from when we wake up to how our weather works. It's like the heartbeat of our planet, setting the rhythm for life as we know it. Are you ready to spin into action? Let's go! All right, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. What exactly is Earth's rotation? Simply put, it's the Earth spinning around on its axis. Think of Earth as a giant basketball. Now imagine a line going right through the center of the ball from top to bottom. That's Earth's axis, and our planet spins around it. This spinning motion was passed on to all the planets as they formed, including Earth. And because there's nothing in space to slow it down, no cosmic brakes here, Earth just keeps on spinning. It's like the ultimate fidget spinner, never running out of energy. For now, just remember that Earth is constantly spinning on its tilted axis, day in and day out. Let's talk about one of the coolest effects of Earth's rotation, day and night. Have you ever wondered why we have light during the day and darkness at night? It's all thanks to our planet's spin. Here's how it works. Imagine Earth as a big ball floating in space. The sun, which is much, much bigger, shines its light on Earth. As Earth spins, different parts of it face the sun at different times. The side facing the sun experiences daytime, while the side facing away is in nighttime. This rotation happens once every 24 hours. That's why we have 24 hours in a day. It's like Earth is playing a year-long game of peekaboo with the sun. Now let's talk speed. Have you ever wondered just how fast our planet is spinning? It's something we don't usually think about, but it's truly fascinating. Earth is spinning pretty darn fast, even though we can't feel it. Imagine standing on a giant merry-go-round that never stops. Are you ready for some mind-blowing numbers? Let's dive into the details. Hold onto your hats because Earth is spinning at about 1,000 miles per hour, 1,600 kilometers per hour at the equator. That's like traveling from New York to Miami in just 1 hour. That's faster than the speed of sound, which is around 760 miles per hour, 1,220 kilometers per hour. But wait, if we're spinning so fast, why aren't we flung off into space? It seems like we should be, right? Well, it's all thanks to gravity. Gravity is the force that pulls everything towards the center of the Earth. Earth's gravity is strong enough to keep us firmly on the ground, even at these incredible speeds. It's like an invisible force that keeps everything in place. It's like being on the world's biggest, fastest merry-go-round, but with an invisible seatbelt keeping you in place. You don't even notice the speed because gravity has got you covered. Interestingly, not every part of Earth spins at the same speed. The speed varies depending on where you are on the planet. The equator spins the fastest because it has to cover the most distance in 24 hours. It's like the outer edge of a spinning record. As you move towards the North or South Pole, the spinning speed decreases. The poles spin much slower because they have less distance to cover. Cool, right? So next time you think about Earth's rotation, remember just how fast we're all moving. Section 5. The great minds behind Earth's rotation. Let's take a trip back in time and meet some of the brilliant minds who figured out that Earth spins. For thousands of years, people thought Earth stood still and everything else moved around it. Can you imagine? But some clever folks started to question this idea.
One of the first was a Polish astronomer named Nicholas Copernicus. Back in the 16th century, he proposed that Earth and other planets revolve around the sun. This was a huge deal. It completely changed how people thought about our place in the universe. Copernicus was like the first DJ to spin Earth's record.
These scientists and many others paved the way for our modern understanding of Earth's rotation. Section 6. Fun facts about Earth's spin. All right, space explorers, are you ready for some mind-bending facts about Earth's rotation? Let's dive in. Our planet's spin is not just a simple turn, it's a fascinating dance that affects everything from our days to our weather.
Did you know that Earth's rotation is actually slowing down? It's true. This gradual deceleration is due to the gravitational pull of the Moon, which creates tidal friction. About 140 million years ago, a day was only 23 hours long. Imagine living in a time when the days were shorter and the nights came quicker. In about 140 million years from now, a day will be 25 hours long. That's right, future generations will have an extra hour in their day to enjoy. Don't worry though, it's happening very slowly. This change is so gradual that it won't affect our daily lives anytime soon. We gain about 1.8 milliseconds per century. While it may not seem like much, over millions of years, these tiny increments add up.
And here's a fact that might blow your mind. The Earth's rotation is crucial for maintaining our planet's stability. If Earth stopped spinning suddenly, it would be catastrophic. The sudden halt would unleash unimaginable forces. The atmosphere would still be moving at 1,000 miles per hour, creating super hurricanes. These storms would be unlike anything we've ever seen. The good news, there's no chance of Earth stopping its spin anytime soon. Our planet's rotation is a stable and enduring feature, ensuring that we continue to enjoy the rhythm of day and night. Section 7. Weather and climate spinning up a storm. Now let's talk about how Earth's spin affects our weather and climate. It's not just about day and night. Earth's rotation plays a huge role in shaping our planet's weather patterns.
First off, Earth's rotation creates something called the Coriolis effect. This force makes winds and ocean currents curve as they move across the globe. In the northern hemisphere, they curve to the right, and in the southern hemisphere, they curve to the left.
This curving motion is super important for our weather. Without Earth's rotation, our weather would look completely different. Section 8, the Coriolis effect, Earth's twisting force. Let's dive deeper into this cool thing called the Coriolis effect.
It's named after a French scientist, Gaspard Gustave Coriolis, who first described it in 1835. The Coriolis effect is like Earth's way of playing tricks on moving objects. It makes them appear to curve when they're actually going straight.
But for big things like wind patterns and ocean currents, the Coriolis effect is super important. It helps create giant circular wind patterns called gyres in our oceans. The Coriolis effect also influences jet streams, those fast-moving air currents high in our atmosphere. Section 9, Earth's rotation, past and future. Let's take a journey through time and explore how Earth's rotation has changed and what might happen in the future.
Believe it or not, Earth's rotation hasn't always been the same as it is now. In fact, it's been changing ever since our planet formed about 4.5 billion years ago. When Earth was young, it spun much faster. Scientists think that a day might have been only 6 hours long. Can you imagine having 4 days in one of our current days?
Over time, Earth has been slowing down. This is mainly because of the moon's gravity pulling on Earth, creating tides. But don't worry, this slowing down happens very, very slowly. Section 10, how Earth's spin affects you. Now let's bring it all back to you.
You might be thinking, this is all cool, but how does Earth's rotation actually affect me?
Well, you'd be surprised. Earth's spin influences your life in more ways than you might realize. First off, Earth's rotation gives us our sense of time. Our 24-hour day is based on one complete rotation of Earth. This rhythm sets our biological clocks, telling our bodies when to wake up, when to eat, and when to sleep. It's like Earth is the DJ of our daily lives, setting the beat we all dance to. Section 11. Conclusion, keep on spinning. Wow, what a spin-tastic journey we've been on. From the very beginning, we've delved into the mysteries and wonders of Earth's rotation. We've explored why Earth spins, how fast it's moving, and how it affects everything from our daily lives to the weather patterns across the globe. The rotation of our planet is a key factor in the dynamic systems that govern our world. It's pretty amazing to think that this huge planet we call home is constantly spinning through space, isn't it? This perpetual motion is not just a fascinating fact, but a crucial element that makes life on Earth possible. We've learned that Earth's rotation gives us our days and nights, influences our weather and climate, and even affects how we travel and play sports. The Coriolis effect, for instance, is a direct result of Earth's spin and plays a significant role in weather patterns and ocean currents. It's a fundamental part of life on Earth, even if we can't feel it spinning beneath our feet. This invisible force shapes our environment in ways we often take for granted. From the great minds who discovered Earth's rotation to the latest scientific understanding of how it affects our planet, we've covered a lot of ground. The journey of scientific discovery has been long and fascinating, filled with brilliant insights and groundbreaking research. So, the next time you watch a sunrise or sunset, feel the wind on your face or check the time, think about Earth's amazing spin. This constant rotation is a reminder of the intricate and beautiful mechanisms that sustain life on our planet. Keep on spinning, Earth, and let's continue to marvel at the wonders of our ever-turning world.